what kind of drilling are we doing right now? Is it sparring? What kind of drilling is this? What we're doing right now is a drill that we do here in Holland, where basically the principle is the following. Any punch can be stopped with a kick, and any kick can be stopped with a punch, or a version of it. So, when we're moving right now, as soon as we start, I'm only doing punching. He's only doing kicking. Then as soon as he sees me do this, it's a switch. Now I'm kicking and he's punching, only punching. We can still check kicks when we're only punching, but that's it. Okay, so we're gonna do another few rounds, few sessions, and you guys watch, okay?